11 signs of disease in houseplants and how to treat them. Hello to all plant lovers. In this video, we're going to look at 11 key signs of common diseases in houseplants. If you have houseplants at home and are worried about their health, be sure to stick around until the end of the video. Having plants allows you to gain valuable experience through their care and maintenance, such as recognizing various diseases and mineral deficiencies in plants. If these issues are not addressed, the plant may die. Therefore, in this article, we will guide you through the signs that could affect and damage your plants. Diseases in houseplants. Diseases in houseplants refer to any abnormal changes in their growth or appearance. There are various plant diseases, each with different symptoms and caused by factors like temperature, humidity, toxins, light, or living organisms such as fungi, viruses, parasites, and bacteria. Before purchasing plants, make sure to carefully inspect them to ensure the leaves and stems are healthy and there are no signs of disease on the undersides of the leaves. If a plant shows signs of disease or pests among the leaves and stems, avoid buying it, as bringing a sick plant home and placing it next to other plants increases the risk of spreading disease and pests to the rest. Additionally, regularly check the stems and leaves of your houseplants for any signs of disease or infestation. If you detect a problem early, you can save your plant with timely care. 11 signs of disease in houseplants. 1. Leaf burn. Leaf burn occurs when a plant is exposed to direct sunlight or if watering is done directly on the leaves while in direct sunlight. Over-fertilization or prolonged dryness can also cause leaf burn. To prevent this, avoid placing your plant in direct sunlight, especially during summer. If symptoms of leaf burn appear, immediately move the plant to a cooler location, water it regularly, and stop fertilizing it, as this may worsen the condition. 2. Wilting and shrinking leaves. Not knowing the correct watering method for houseplants can result in overwatering or underwatering, leading to small, wilted leaves. The best way to treat this is by watering the plant regularly and according to the specific needs of each plant. 3. Browning leaves in houseplants. This issue may begin with the tips of the leaves turning yellow, indicating the presence of black spot disease or leaf spot disease. Leaf spot is a fungal or bacterial disease identified by the appearance of black and brown spots of various shapes on the leaf surface, often surrounded by a yellow ring. This disease is more common in humid climates. To control and treat it, increase air circulation, avoid spraying water directly on the leaves, and isolate the infected plant from others to prevent the spread of the disease. 4. Yellowing leaves and plant wilting. When the roots or stems of houseplants rot, leaf yellowing occurs. Overwatering or the presence of fungi causes this condition. If the pot does not have proper drainage, water collects at the bottom, leading to root rot. Another sign of this disease is the softening of the stem, indicating root decay. One way to know if it's time to repot your plant is by checking the roots from the bottom of the pot. If roots are sticking out, it means the plant doesn't have enough space to grow. If you observe signs of root rot, it's best to remove the plant from the pot and inspect the roots, cutting away any damaged parts. Also, avoid placing your plants near heating or cooling devices during hot or cold seasons. 5. Large gaps between leaves and lack of flowering. If the plant doesn't receive enough light, you'll notice these signs of disease. To treat this, ensure you have adequate knowledge of the care requirements for each specific houseplant, especially regarding sufficient light exposure. Gradual yellowing of leaves. Several factors contribute to the gradual yellowing of houseplant leaves over time, including low humidity levels, poor pot drainage, improper or insufficient watering, need for repotting, temperature imbalance. Yellow and brown spots and stunted growth. The appearance of yellow and brown spots on the leaves, plant deformation, and stunted growth are signs of downy mildew, a disease caused by a group of fungi. Excessive humidity is the main cause of this disease, and if untreated, the plant's leaves will eventually fall. To control and treat downy mildew, ensure the soil has proper drainage and regulate the watering to avoid oversaturation. 8. Powdery mildew. The appearance of white spots on the leaves and stems of plants is a sign of powdery mildew, a fungal disease. This disease also causes leaves to yellow, dry out, and become deformed. Upon noticing such signs on the surface of leaves, immediately isolate the affected plant from others, cut off the diseased leaves, and avoid watering the leaves directly. As a preventive measure, keeping the pots spaced apart reduces the risk of disease transmission and allows for better air circulation between them. Distorted plant appearance. A fungal disease known as botrytis or gray mold causes this condition, thriving in cooler environments. Infected parts should be pruned, and the plant should be kept away from other plants. Stop misting the plant and avoid watering from above. 10. Rolled and unopened new leaves. If you don't repot your plant in time and the roots become root-bound, the plant won't have enough space to grow, causing new leaves to remain curled and not open properly. 11. Leaf drop in houseplants. For plants that thrive in humid environments, a lack of humidity can cause leaf drop. Conversely, for plants that prefer dry environments, excess humidity can lead to gradual leaf loss. These were 11 common signs of disease in houseplants that you should watch out for. By paying attention to these signs, you can easily identify and fix problems with your plants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Until the next video, stay green and healthy.